All right, folks, it's time to look at the next steps that you would want to take in your CCIE Security written exam preparation. This is the last module in the CCIE Addressing Protocols course. Now, you've done it. You've made it all the way through the CCIE Security Addressing Protocols course. And you're probably asking yourself right now, what am I going to do next? Well, this course only covered the first 5 points of the published Cisco outline. So from this point on, what I recommend you do is review the CCIE Security written exam topics. Now, you should already know where those are located. You're going to find those at learningnetwork.cisco.com under the CCIE Security written exam study area. And when you're in there, you need to gain an understanding of the remaining topics, of course. Now, we do have other Pluralsight courses that are to come that'll cover these, but in the meantime, don't stop learning. For right now, create a checklist of what topics you want to cover, or use the PDF that's provided at the Learning Network there by Cisco. Spend some time every day reading about each topic that's on the exam. You want to become an expert. That's why the certification is called Cisco Certified Internetworking Expert. So spend that time. When you're doing it, try to ask yourself, why? Well, what do I mean by that? Well, here's what I mean. Why does this protocol feature configuration exist? What's the purpose of it? Here's an example. IPsec NAT transparencies. You'll find this in the Cisco documentation. Now, you can see the highlighted section here says, before the introduction of this feature, a standard IPsec VPN tunnel would not work if there were one or more NAT or PAT points in the delivery path of the IPsec packet. So that was the problem. Look at the answer. This feature makes NAT IPsec aware, thereby allowing remote access users to build IPsec tunnels to home gateways. That's why it exists. That's why this feature or this configuration capability, IPsec NAT transparency, exists. Because before it, VPNs didn't work. And hey, we use NAT in our environments today. We have to have this feature. Another thing you could ask yourself is, why is it on the CCIE Security written exam? Well, that's not too far-fetched for this particular example, IPsec NAT transparency. It relates to VPN tunnels and IPsec, and it's a security exam, so that's why we're going to find it there. But ask yourself questions like that. As you look through these features, try to find the answers in there. Try to find a use case for each of these features.